Here's how to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone. Now, the first thing we're going to do is use a couple of built-in options on your iPhone to see that password. And if you don't find it in those two different places, I'll show you an easy way to change it without needing to know the old one. So first, just take your finger and swipe down and type in passwords. And then just tap on the Passwords app at the top left. You'll just need to authenticate this using your Face ID. And then tap on All at the top left. And from here, just tap on Search, and we're going to search for Apple. Here you can see at the top is Apple, and it has my email address. Just tap on that, and you'll be able to see your username as well as your password. This password is your Apple ID password. You can just tap on it to copy it. But if you don't find it in there, let's check the second location. Hop out of here, and instead of the Passwords app, just swipe down and type in Chrome and open up the Chrome web browser. Now keep in mind Chrome saves those passwords, so let's find those. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And then at the top here, swipe over until you get to Password Manager and tap on that. Now from here again, use your Face ID to authenticate and just hit search, and we'll search for Apple. And just tap on it to reveal the username as well as the password. But if you don't find it in these two locations, you can change that password without needing to know the old one. I'll show you how to do that. Let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now from here, just tap on your name at the top and then tap on Sign In and Security. From here, all you need to do under Security is tap on Change Password, and you'll be able to see it says enter the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. So let me just do that real quick. And now you'll be able to see choose a new password that you can remember. It has to be a characters, number, lettercase, uppercase, and lowercase letter. And you'll be able to see just enter in that password here, and this will be your new Apple ID password associated with your account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.